Today I'm going to show you how to change the lower belt tension spring. As you can see, I've tried getting it in there. It ain't going to work out too well. And so the best way I believe you should do it is take the wheel off. Alright, now that I got the wheel off, what you're going to do, I've found, is to there's two bolts right here, and this arm forks. It forks over this, and all you have to do is take out the first bolt and loosen the second bolt, and then just drop this to where it hangs, and then put your spring on down there, and also put it up here. Now that I've got that on, all I did was take this whole spring down and just hooked it in there. And sometimes you can just hook this in here, but it didn't happen. So all I did was take this bolt out and put this through the spring and just kind of wiggle it back up in here to get this one bolt in. You'll have to put this on. I probably need to put that on now. Once you've got this back, all this is your full meter. That's all it goes off of. Now what you want to do is get you a come along. Your regular old come along. And I'll show you where to hook it up. All I did was hook it to the main bar and hook it up to this bar where your top one goes. Now this is kind of dangerous, so try to stand back as far as you can. See, I've about got it lined up. And you see it's getting tighter. And you know, if this tension arm right here tries to move, just get the good old, the good old 7/8 wrench. You might want to try to find a hammer, but getting closer. And as you see, if it doesn't go in all the way, just do this, and whenever you get done, you should be able to see where these two bolts went to hold your arm. So just line those up, tighten it up, and button her back up, put your tire back on, and you're done.